In this video, I will be showing you how to install Rust in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Rust. We'll be having this Rust programming language and their official site rustlang.org. Just click here, and here to the top they are having the install option. Select it, and for Windows we are having three choices. One is 32-bit, 64-bit, and another one is ARM64. I'll just go with the normal 64-bit. The download will be getting started. It is just around 12 MB in size, so just open it, and we'll be getting the CLI like this. Here it will ask us to enter Y or the N key to continue. So just press the Y key and hit enter. These are the things that's going to happen. You can just go through it, and here we're having three options, 1, 2, 3, with proceed with standard installation, customized installation. I'll just go with the standard one, so I'll just press the 1 key and hit enter. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. After some time, we'll be getting Rust is installed now with a grid, and it says press the enter key to continue. Just press the enter key. That CLI will be closed. Now just open the command prompt, and we can just check the Rust version that has been installed to make sure that it has been successfully installed. So for that, first try running rust c space -- version, and as you can see here, I'm getting the version, which means that it has been perfectly installed. And next we can check the cargo version also. So for that, just type cargo space -- version. So it's similar to a package manager in Rust used to create projects and install stuff. So we can check this also, and we are getting the same version, so that works perfectly. The final step that we need to do before running our Rust program is we must have the C++ build tool. So for that, just search for Visual Studio build tools. We'll be having this Visual Studio build tools Microsoft. Select here, and here we are having the community download. Select free download, and the setup file will be getting downloaded. And I guess in most cases we'll be already having the Visual Studio installer, but it's fine. You can simply click on this, and we'll be getting the Visual Studio installer. Click on continue. So this will basically check if we have any previously installed Visual Studio installer available. So in my case, I'm already having. If you don't have, don't worry, it will automatically install on your system. So I don't want any of these updates. I will just click on close, and here we'll be having the option called as modify. Select it, and here if you just scroll down, we'll be having this desktop development with C++. Make sure that you are checking it, and just click on modify. So this will take some time to download and install it. Just be patient. It is done, so just click on OK. Now we can simply open Visual Studio Code and try running a sample program. Here I am having a empty folder. First step is we need to create a new Rust project. So for that, the command is going to be cargo space new space your project name. In this case, the project name that I'm going to give is hello_rust. So after you are done typing it, just hit enter, and the project has been created. If we expand it, here we are having some gitignore, cargo file, and source. Here we are having the main Rust file .rs is the Rust extension. Here we are simply having a plain hello world program. Now to run this, first we need to get inside the project folder. For that, cd space your Rust project name. In my case, it is hello_rust. That's it. Now we have checked inside. Now to run this program, we will be using the command cargo space run. Just hit enter. As you can see here, it is compiling, and it has said finished, and then it's saying running hello_rust.exe, and we are getting the output over here. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.